Hello and welcome. Today we begin our journey into grade 11 mathematics with the topic relations. A relation is simply a connection between two sets of values. For example, think of the relation between students and their ID numbers. Each student has an ID. Each ID belongs to one student. This relation pairs a student with their ID number. Relations can be represented in three ways: set notation, writing pairs like student, ID; table form, showing the pairs in rows; graph form, plotting the pairs as points. Key idea: a relation connects elements of one set called the domain with elements of another set called the codomain. Real-life application: the relation between people and phone numbers. The relation between countries and their capitals. So relations are everywhere, in our schools, phones, and even maps. In our next video, we'll explore inverse relations and their graphs. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.